Captions AI just released Mirage, their new audio to video model that creates influencers or people from the internet like TikTok and Instagram, all from audio. Check it out.
Look at me. Can you believe I'm not real?
I was generated with Caption's new AI model, Mirage.
All it took was an audio clip. No reference image needed.
AI models have always struggled with making humans talk. Mirage changes that.
You can generate someone who is happy, someone who's angry,
or someone who is sad, or someone who speaks any language.
或者是会说任何语言的人。
Oder jemand, der irgendeine Sprache spricht.
हम हर भाषा में किसी को generate कर सकते हैं.
Try it for yourself in the next couple of weeks.
Mirage, made by Captions.
That's totally insane to see that they were able to make these videos just from freaking audio clips. These are real influencers or real podcasters. As you see in this clip right here, you can even have this guy who's on a hoodie where he has his finger on a pen and talking. Let's say you want to have a different style.
You have to stop running with the wrong.
Where it's this person sitting down in a chair that's more podcast style.
My mind is blown right now.
Or something that's more like streamer related. This clip here.
Let me introduce you to your new best.
They even have like more close-up or dynamic shots if you just want to talk and hit, very zoomed in, how it is on TikTok.
Stop scrolling. Listen to this.
And they do both men and women, and they look pretty good. As you see this person in the gray shirt talking, and this woman who was looking at the table with her teacup.
Attention shoppers, here's the #1 thing you
need to record another video again.
I also have one where you even see her wearing a freaking wireless microphone on her shirt, and they're talking.
You want to know my secret for
This is absolutely insane to think that this is a game changer. This is absolutely insane, but this is just part of the early release. If you go to their website, they have a early preview for users who want to try it out early so that you can sign up and just try it out. This is absolutely insane because let's say a big company wants to use these type of AI generated people. This can definitely help cut down on marketing budget, so they can even create their own influencers that look like they have their own media presence that isn't even attached to the store or to the brand or the company. They can just even have like 4 or 5 or 6 of these AI generated people and just run them. Let's say they cost, I don't know, $1,000 a month per person. That's still cheaper than hiring an influencer. This may change how influencer marketing is done, but hopefully there's some disclosure when talking to these AIs or having these AI people generate it. AIs have come a long way, but even Meta is even thinking about rolling out AI users onto the platform so that they will be just like any other person on Instagram, but they'll be all AI. They'll post pictures, they have their own profile, but they'll be AI generated. So this is going down the same path of having AI generated social media presence for these people to try out. I'm mixed about this, but hey, as long as they disclose that it's AI and people have the free will to choose whatever they want to. If you want to keep up on the latest and greatest AI news, you should definitely like and subscribe. With that being said, Dexter out.